today we are doing this amazing Vampy Grungy makeup. Ooh, 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 I'm loving this. You guys know me, I love me a good black lip. It's like almost my staple at this point. I'm sorry if you don't like it, I just really love it so much. Anyway, so today we are doing this really pretty shimmery makeup, and we are using some awesome new goodies today. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. If you are new, hello, I am Josie. I put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I really hope you guys will stay and join the GlamFam. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beautybyjosiek. I hope you go check them out. And yeah. Also, I did recently redo my channel. I have a new intro, outro, blah, 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 backdrop lighting. Let me know what you guys think. I am super, super excited about this. So let's jump into this tutorial.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, 'cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure?
For this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. I put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I hope you guys will join the GlamFam. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!